Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build, 25330, which is released to the Canary channel. As a reminder, builds released to the Canary channel are hot off the presses. Microsoft will offer limited documentation for builds flighted to the Canary channel, no known issues for example, but we will not publish a blog post for every flight, only when new features are available in a build. Also, this build will not be offered to Windows Insiders with ARM64 devices. Moving forward, and talking about changes and improvements, for the Settings app, pressing the print screen key will now open Snipping tool by default. This setting can be turned off via Settings, Accessibility, Keyboard. If you have previously modified this setting yourself, your preference will be preserved. Also, the settings page for wheeled devices, such as the Surface Dial, has been updated to better match the Windows 11 design principles. For Windows Sandbox, if you have changed your primary mouse button under Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Mouse, Windows Sandbox will now follow that setting. For Remote Desktop, Microsoft has updated the Remote Desktop Connection Setup window, so that it now follows the text scaling settings under Settings, Accessibility, Text Size. In cases where the text scaling is very large, it will show a scroll bar. For BitLocker, when encrypting a drive using BitLocker, you can now minimize the encryption progress dialog. For Inbox apps, you can now uninstall the Camera app if you need to. Talking about Microsoft Store update, Windows Insiders in the Canary and Dev channels running version 22303.1401.x of the Microsoft Store and higher will see the following improvements rolling out. Firstly, you'll be able to install free apps and games from search results. Microsoft introduced a new way to install free apps and games. Hovering over a free product on the search results page opens a new expanded cart experience, where you can find a convenient install button. This will trigger the installation without having to navigate to the product page. Next to that, you'll have a new design when purchasing apps and games in the store. You'll discover a new and redesigned experience when purchasing apps and games inside the Microsoft Store. The purchase dialog styles align better with Windows 11 to bring you a more pleasant checkout experience. Lastly, you'll new UX for in-app ratings dialog. Developers of your favorite apps and games often use a Microsoft Store feature that requests ratings from within the app or game. Microsoft has updated this in-app ratings experiences to be faster, more reliable, and to better align with Windows 11 styling. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.